Hello. So glad you could join me today. My daughter recently got a brand new pet goldfish. Also, I recently wrote and illustrated a book where one of the main characters was a goldfish. I love drawing goldfish. Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw a goldfish in a bowl. Hopefully, you've grabbed something to draw with and something to draw on. Let's get started. The first step is to draw the top of the bowl. We're going to draw a narrow oval shape. It's going to kind of look like a squished football. The next step is to draw a wider oval shape that is just slightly larger than our first one. The only difference is that we're going to leave the shape open along the bottom. Now, starting at one end of our open oval, we're going to draw a line that goes down and curves to the other end of the open oval. This completes the shape of our fishbowl. Time for some of the details. Leaving a bit of a gap on either end, we're going to draw a line that is parallel to the bottom part of our first closed oval. And then add a bit of a shadow under this line that we're drawing. Hey, it's starting to look pretty good. Let's move on to the rocks at the bottom of our bowl. Starting at the bottom of our bowl and leaving a bit of a space, draw a line that is parallel to the curved line at the bottom of our bowl. And then bring that line horizontally back to our starting point so that we have something that looks like a wobbly half circle. I'm going to draw a few dots to show the details in the rocks. You can put as many as you like. Now it's time for some plant life. I'm going to draw a vertical line for the stem of the plant. Then halfway up that stem, I'm going to draw a curved line that's going to connect to the top of the stem. On the other side, I'm going to draw a similar curved line, but slightly smaller. This is beginning to look more and more like a fish bowl. Guess what time it is? That's right. It's time for the star of our picture, the goldfish. On the other side of the bowl, I'm going to draw two small circles that are touching. These will be for our fish's eyes. Inside those two circles, I'm going to add two dots for the fish's pupils and a small little line underneath for its mouth. Next, starting at the top of the left circle, I'm making a small curved line and adding 3 bumps for the dorsal fin. 1, 2, 3. Beside the right circle, I'm drawing a curvy W shape for the pectoral fin. These are the scientific names for the parts of a fish. See, you're not just drawing today, you're learning some science too. Now, starting at the bottom of the left circle, I am drawing a line that goes down and curves towards the right. I'm then going to draw a small curvy W below this for the fish's pelvic fin, before continuing the line to where the tail will be at the end of the fish. We're almost done our fish. Now I'm going back up to the dorsal fin and I'm going to continue that line down to where the tail will be. For the tail, I'm going to draw a line that curves out from the body and then curves down like a shark fin. And then back out again and back in like an upside down shark fin. And it's going to connect to the bottom of the body. The last step is to color your picture. And there you have it, one goldfish in a bowl. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you had fun. And remember, practice makes better.